Let's make these delicious Dulce De Leche lava cakes. We will need 1 jar of Dulce De Leche, 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks, half a cup of melted butter, extra butter for the ramekins, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, a quarter cup of sifted flour and extra for the ramekins, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. First we need to whisk the butter together with Dulce De Leche until smooth and combined. Then whisk the eggs and add in the Dulce De Leche mixture. Add in the cinnamon and vanilla. Gradually add in the flour until combined. Butter and flour the ramekins. Add in the mixture to the ramekins. Bake in the oven for 10 to 13 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Flip the lava cake and gently remove the ramekin. Sprinkle with icing sugar and serve with some berries and vanilla ice cream. These lava cakes turn out light, fluffy with a perfect gooey center. Absolutely delicious. Enjoy!